Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over how to edit your public information in the KW Command mobile app. All right, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is find your Command app on your phone and log in. Now, once you are logged into your Command app, if you go ahead and click your name in the top left corner, from there, you should be able to find your profile. Okay, so we're going to click that profile. And from here, you'll be able to hit that edit button in the top right corner and edit some of your basic information in your profile. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and edit. This is going to allow you to, one, change your photo. So if you'd like to change that headshot that's appearing, you can take a photo or select one from your phone. You can edit your main details, so name, first and last, your title, phone numbers, your email, and your website. You can also edit some of your market center information here, the brokerage name, phone number, address. If you have the license number, you can add that. And then next, your social media links, okay? So your public-facing URLs or those profiles, you can go ahead and edit those here as well. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and hit that save button. It's going to let you know that any saves that or any changes that you made are going to be updated in your profile, okay? Now, this profile is going to feed some information over to your referral profile. It's going to feed information to your business card in here, the digital business card that comes with Command, and some of those various platforms. So that is our tip video for today. Hope this was a helpful video. If you have any questions at all, reach out to our support email, support@scholarlymarketing.com. Have a great day.